Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we explore the best in natural health. Today we're looking at the largest organ, and that's our skin. But check out my previous video on how I healed my daughter's skin. And in that video I talk about the ingredients I used in her skincare, which was shea butter, coconut oil, and essential oils of lavender and frankincense, used in all my formulas as the main base because of their wonderful healing properties. And I've got all of these ingredients right here. That's the base that I use in all my formulas, which are shea butter, unrefined, cold pressed coconut oil, and I use the purest of the essential oils ingredients possible, and that base goes in all my formulas. But today in this video I'm going to be diving into more powerhouse ingredients, and these ingredients can elevate your skincare routine, and that's neem oil, jojoba oil, which is golden jojoba oil, and also I've got here vitamin E oil. These are the oils that I'm going to be speaking about today that actually go in my formula Dermazine. And Dermazine, I've got one called Dermazine After Shower, which contain all of these ingredients you see here before me. So first of all, neem oil has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, and it's revered for its powerful healing properties. It's a natural antibacterial and antifungal, making it a fantastic choice for acne-prone or skin, or anyone dealing with inflammation and redness. Now, neem oil is also rich in fatty acids, which help to restore and protect the skin's barrier. And this means it's not just a great moisturizer, it's the fatty acids help to restore and protect the skin's barrier. But also it's deeply nourishing, it's perfect for keeping your skin healthy, and it helps your skin to glow. It is a great healing oil for the skin. Now, I've got golden jojoba oil right here, and what's amazing about golden jojoba oil is that it's incredibly similar to the natural oils of our skin. Now, our skin produces a natural oil, and jojoba oil is the closest to it, making it an excellent moisturizer that balances oil production. Also, golden jojoba oil is the unrefined version of jojoba oil, meaning it retains its natural golden color, and it hasn't been subjected to the same refining process as the clear jojoba oil. So this is the natural one that hasn't been refined in any way, and the clear one would be lacking slightly in the minerals, but this contains more natural nutrients such as vitamin E and B complex vitamins because it's less processed. Now, jojoba oil hydrates, it balances the skin's natural oil production, and it doesn't clog the skin. Okay, it doesn't clog the pores. Now, this makes it ideal for both dry and oily skin types. And it's also packed with vitamins and minerals, including, as I said, vitamin E, which helps repair and protect the skin from environmental damage. But because it's so lightweight, it absorbs quickly into our skin without clogging the pores, and it leaves your skin soft and hydrated. Now, speaking of vitamin E, let's talk about why it's such a game changer, which I've got right here. Now, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from free radicals, which are the nasty little molecules that cause premature aging and skin damage. It's especially great for healing scars, reducing fine lines, and keeping your skin smooth and supple. Now, vitamin E is also a fantastic moisture booster, so it works beautifully with jojoba and neem oils to create a deeply nourishing skincare routine. So when you combine neem oil's healing properties with jojoba oil's balancing, moisturizing benefits and vitamin E's protective and reparative powers, you get a formula that is truly supportive and it enhances your skin's natural beauty. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, dark marks, dryness, or you just want to give your skin a natural, healthy boost, these ingredients work harmoniously to keep your skin healthy, glowing, and resilient. So thank you for watching. I hope the insight into neem oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E has given you some inspiration to incorporate these amazing ingredients into your skincare. To find this formula, you can click the link in the description below. You'll get 50% off the Dermazine Velvet that contains all these amazing healing property ingredients. But if you want to join my Telegram discussion group on natural health, we talk about health from the inside out. It's free to join. Have a look at the in the description, click the link there and join the discussions. Thank you for watching. Hit the notification bell for more natural health solutions and subscribe to this channel for more tips and information. Until next time, stay radiant and see you in the next video.